Hey, it's Robin here with the latest roundup of what's new in Similarweb. First, in Search Intelligence, say hello to the new Keyword List homepage where you can create, filter, edit, and share your bespoke keyword groups with just a click. No need to create new keyword groups each time or analyze single keywords at a time. This is a smarter world of keyword research. In Rank Tracker, we're treating you to 3 updates this month. First up, see Organic Rank, Universal Rank, and clicks in one view. Traffic going down, but Organic Rank stable? It's likely you've lost out to SERP features, AI overviews, or paid ads. Now you can get the full picture at a glance every day. Next, we've added weekly email alerts. Get a weekly digest of your share of search, plus core drops and increases in rank. And thirdly, you can now add annotations on any chart, which means you can record things like internal changes and content or algorithm updates. Next, meet the Similarweb Excel Add-in, the easiest way to bring web traffic and engagement data directly into Excel. Install the add-in from Microsoft's Marketplace and start pulling real-time web traffic data across a host of key metrics, automatically updated in your reports. In Web Intelligence, we've introduced an all-traffic view when looking at segments within marketing channels. This means you don't have to pick between mobile or web anymore. Get the full traffic picture on each marketing channel. And in Sales Intelligence, we've expanded our contact data with more contacts, over 470 million to be precise, and more coverage across countries. Now it's even simpler to find the perfect person to reach out to. Well, that's all for now, but keep an eye out because we'll be back with more product updates next month.